Onion farming is a lucrative business. That's why majority of us usually go for that business. And anything that puts money in your pocket, anything that is bankable is always protected, and we always keep a close eye on it. Onion production or onion farming cannot be exempted from the things or the businesses that we need to protect at a very close age. From the nursery setup up to harvesting, you need to monitor it well, because like you're attracted to it, like you're attracted to make money out of it, also the pests, the diseases, and other bad things are also attracted to it. So you need to protect your seedlings against cutting insect, against diseases, and against the nutritional disorders. And that is what we are doing, and it's a program that we are doing on a weekly basis to make sure we keep this seedling healthy, to make sure we keep this seedling growing strong, to make sure we keep this seedling uninjured. So there is nothing injuring it. And by doing that, that's why we are bringing in fungicides to control dumping off, which is the major disease. We are bringing other chemicals to control cutting insect, and also working with phosphorus based fertilizer to make sure it grows well, it grows strong, and it grows to the size that we need for transplanting. So far so good, and the results are very promising. And as you can see, it looks very good, it looks very beautiful. In few weeks time we'll be headed to transplanting. But whatever I wanted you to observe is the weekly monitoring, weekly control, weekly procedure or weekly routine to make sure you keep your onions healthy and you keep them good to be transplanted. Not necessarily to be transplanted in your farm, also you can do it for business, and make sure that when you are selling it, you are selling healthy seedlings. So it's a good venture, either to grow it or to do it as a business. I've seen farmers, I've seen propagators who are doing it for business and making good returns out of it. Hope you've learned something from our today's discussion. If this is your first time that you're watching me, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel so that we can continue learning together. Bye.